Gold for the day traded in a narrow zone as we discussed in our Asia and Europe session update few hours back, that we may see it trading with higher lows, and precisely it has gone close to 2037. We have discussed why 3537 is a great support zone. Now, what to expect from gold with the NFP data in the US session for gold and also crude oil? See, crude oil interestingly has taken support from 72. Again, I have mentioned why 72 was a good support. It has moved towards 73.3 levels. Now, how to profit trading gold and crude oil? Let's see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the twice a day updates. This is the second update for the day. And friends, your every like, share and comment is a motivation to me. And become a channel member and support the effort. If you're profiting, yes, support the effort by pressing the join button besides the subscribe icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the now on the hourly charts, after the sharp drop here, gold retraced, then higher lows, lower highs, higher lows. It is consolidating right now. It has to break this zone. It has to break this channel, which suggests that now we will look forward to a break below 35 and then 28 and 32 zone. This is the zone which gold needs to break. If you see gold staying below 2028 at any point of time, we will directly look forward to 2023 and in fact 2018 levels. Yes, it can continue to drop below these levels. If it falls below 2028-32, we may see more bearishness prevailing here. But what is happening right now? Look at these two candles. Lower lows, higher highs, symmetrical, almost symmetrical movement here. One bullish, one bearish candle. And what preceded this candle was a strong bearish candle. Thus, we can expect a reversal as well. And where you should buy? Again, see, now we know that there is a greater resistance at around 48 levels. We have seen since yesterday. And hence 48 and 52. This is going to be the greater resistance zone for gold. We have discussed so many times since last 2-3 days. And beyond 52, it is still 55 levels, which is going to be the third resistance. If these three levels are taken, we can treat this as bullish. But let's have a further detail. See, prices here were trading with divergence. It has converged, getting the resistance on the 20 and 50 period. See, 50 period moving average, giving it a good resistance. Prices have reversed. Stochastic has hit a bottom trying to bounce back, but MACD has crossed over here and it is trading with slight divergence and bearishness. RSI rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows here. Now remember, 4 red candles, a possible reversal sign where you could treat this as reversal when the prices tries to move above somewhere here above 42-44 zone. Yes, you can say that it is trying to reverse. And specifically, and remember, again I am highlighting specifically, if it stays above 48-52 zone, you can treat this as a reversal. Buying here at 42-43 is going to be slightly riskier. As long as 48-52 is not breached on the upside, we can expect a reversal in gold prices. Stochastic here is oversold. The MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. It can continue to diverge on the upside. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, rise, couple of retracement candles, then rise again, lower highs, then retracement, higher lows, and now trying to bounce back again. Second point here is, once you see it staying above below 2035, we can expect it to move towards this zone 2028-32, which is going to be a greater support zone. Remember, this is going to be the greater support zone. What has happened after this drop? It has just seen couple of bounces, higher lows, and if it breaches, it is going to be a stronger fall. If it fails to break below, certainly we can expect a bounce back. Now remember, you should think it of as anything which falls here, fails to break below the wall, it will obviously bounce back strongly. This is a simple principle, but let's have a detailed look. Stochastic at bottom, MACD. Now see, MACD has seen bearish move here. It has crossed over here, traded with very little divergence in green. RSI at flat at bottom. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, one should look at rise, retracement. A reversal sign was seen, failing to stay bullish. We have seen prices reversing on the downside again. Now look at these two candles. Bearishness has increased in these two candles. Also, this candle has left a tail on the downside, which suggests lower highs, lower lows, and thus on the upside 45, 48, 52 greater resistance exists here. So if you're buying at 42, remember 45, 46, 48, any point of time it can reverse. As long as 2052 is there, we can see a reversal. In fact 2055 is not taken, it can reverse. Remember, it can reverse again. I am highlighting to make you cautious again and again. Now, see, stochastic has looked downwards, looking downwards. MACD has traded bearish. It is almost trading with very little divergence. It is converged. It is running flat. RSI is running flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now, look on the daily charts. First of all, triple bottom here. Since the bottom, we have seen it rising. Then the retracement. Prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged. It is taking support from the 20 period. And if you draw a parallel to this, you will find gold trading in this zone. Thus, it is very important for gold to break below 2030 levels. 2028-32 is the zone you should watch out for. If and only if gold trades below 2028, we can look forward to 2023-24, then 2018, and below 2018. This time we are looking forward to a sharper fall towards 2000 levels as well. But right now, if you look at the daily charts closely, what has happened? See, it has just come out of this consolidation zone. Precisely, highs are beautifully aligned. Lows it has just come out of, but it has failed to break below the yesterday's lows, which is also an important event for it to break. Now, once it breaks below the yesterday's lows, we can see a pull towards this zone, which is also a double bottom level, certainly a good support. Below that, you can expect it to drop sharply. Then again, 2023, 2018 levels should be a great support. The stochastic at bottom and oversold, but look at MACD is divergent. Only 3 candles. Thus, a fourth candle, fifth candle, sixth candle, it can continue to rise. Right now, also, I have highlighted this every time in my analysis. Double top here and then the chop fall, double top here, retracement, and again this is divergent, which means it can continue to trade bearish. RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell gold at 2035 levels and expect it to drop towards 2028-32 zone, which is going to be the stronger support zone. And if it trades below 2028, we can look forward to 2023, 2018, 2020 as the next support zone. Below 2018, we will look forward to major sharper drop, which can take the prices, in fact, towards 2000 and below levels. This is something you should note. On the upside, remember, it is still not giving a bearish signals. As long as 28-32 is not taken, we can expect a bounce back. Now, on the upside, and before I give you the buying levels for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch. Dates are announced, commencing on 3rd week of January. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Else visit my platform www.forexfunda.com or my free Telegram channel. Join the free Telegram channel for more updates. Now, forexfunda.com has much more to offer. The NFP data release, live economic calendar is there. You can just refer to the NFP data release. Also, the chart section is there with the advanced tools, so that you can simultaneously work on the charts and take your positions. And yes, there is a community of traders where you can discuss. Also, you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. This call is completely free. Do visit the platform, be a part of webinar series, and this call is completely free twice a month for you. Join the webinar series where every Sunday we discuss the expectation from the markets, or be part of my signals channel for trading as per the signals here. Now, on the daily charts, buying here is recommended if you see it trading above 2042, but this is riskier. When I say it is riskier, it means prices are still not in a decisive mode. Beyond 2042, 2044, 46 first resistance zone, 48 next, 52 next. So these are very close resistances, and prices can reverse from any of these levels. Thus, if you are buying, you have to put a trailing stop. It is only if you see it staying above 2055, we can say that now 2060, rather I will say 2062, and then beyond that 2073 levels can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. See, crude oil so far for the day has been just struggling to break beyond 72.4, 72.6 zone. This is what we had discussed. 72.4, 72.6 certainly should be a greater support. Achieving those levels, we are again looking forward to an up move. It is trading in this zone. Thus, if you see it is staying above 73.2, we can buy. Expect 73.4, 73.6 as the first resistance. and then 74 is the next. Now remember, any point of time, if it stays above 74.2, that is the point of time you can confirm it to be bullish. Remember what has happened here: the drop, the retracement, and it is trading in this bullish channel on the upside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with very little divergence. RSI is also looking upwards, good bullish sign. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. What did I say earlier in the day? A wine glass, tilted wine glass. You can just have a look at it. It has formed a good tail and it is just trying to trade in this. And precisely that has happened. It is just confirmed that it has gone to the levels. Now I will wait for it to break beyond 73.6. That should be the breakout which we should wait for to confirm the bullishness. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence, certainly a bullish sign on the 2 hour charts. Also higher lows and higher highs are seen. Thus only selling entry below 72.4 as we discussed earlier in the day. Stochastic has dropped. MACD trading with very little divergence. If it crosses over, it can bring bullishness, but right now no signs of it. RSI rising. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation: higher highs, higher lows. After the drop, it is retracing. It can in fact retrace towards 73.6, greater resistance here. And only bullishness confirmation is above 74.2 levels, where you can say prices have reversed and we are looking at 75. Else, remember, after the drop, retracement, and if it breaks on the downside below 72, certainly the bears will take over. Stochastic near to overbought though. MACD is not yet divergent. It can continue to diverge, but it is still not bearish. RSI trying to rise. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. Preceding candle, a swing candle, bullishness getting diminished, and after taking the support, now price is rising again. We have to wait for it to break beyond 73.6 in order to confirm the rise here. But yes, one can buy here at 73 itself, but then 73.3, 73.6, very, very strong resistance. Stochastic rising. MACD is in green. It is not yet crossed over. It can possibly cross over. RSI flat. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts. See, preceding few candles, higher highs, lower lows. The yesterday's candle was a swing candle. It has opened low and it is trying to bounce back. Certainly 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands giving it a resistance. On the upside, we know 74, 74.2 is a greater resistance, above which we will look forward to 74.8 and 75. Remember, it can give you similar size of candle here. It can give you similar size of candle here. What we have seen here can get replicated here, which can take the prices in fact towards 75, 76 levels as well. Stochastic rising. MACD. Now MACD is still bullish. It is trying to diverge a bit and RSI is flat. Considering this, we can buy at 73. Expect 73.2, 73.3 first resistance, 73.6 the next, and then if it stays above 73.6, remember 74.2, 74.8, and then 76 levels will be achieved here. On the downside, you can sell here at 72.4 levels. Expect it to move towards 72.2. 72 is a very, very good support. Below 72, we will look forward for it to fall towards the median at 71.6, which is a greater 71.5. 71.6 is a greater support here. Only below which you can say prices have turned bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel and webinar series. Register for it. Visit my platform forexfonda.com or join my free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you tomorrow with the weekly review. Do not miss that. Do watch that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a happy weekend. Thank you.